today is the day of deleting. Please go to your social media and delete all those videos or messages or any form of communication, actions, whatever it may be, that would be embarrassing in front of Allah when Allah shows you those deeds and says, why did you do this? Can you answer to this or that? We told you to stay away from immorality, from vulgar words, from behavior that's unacceptable. It's not too late. You still have your phones. Please take a moment to pick up the phone right now and to delete everything that you would be embarrassed with on the day of judgment. You don't need to use the F word, the B word, the P word, the D word, the Z word, the X word, whatever those bad words are, and they're becoming more and more. You do not need to participate in them. You're a believer. Allah is going to show you your phone. He's going to show you what you've done, what you've said. You'd rather delete it. If the powerful words of Allah protect you, then the bad and evil words of shaitan will drop that guard.